Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.